This is Dave Bosco, and today we're going to go over the ordinary wheel chock versus the X Chock. Which one's better? You decide. Okay, we're going to talk about the wheel chock. Wheel chock, plain Jane, plastic, right? Every time you park your RV, before you disconnect, always take your wheel chock, put one in the back and one in the front. This will keep your trailer from shooting off in either direction after you unhook. It's something you always need. Those of you that are new RVers, make sure that you buy these for your new RV. There's a very high possibility it's not going to come with it. A great addition to the wheel chocks is the X Chock. Comes with a 3/4 inch ratchet. What this does is squeezes in between the tires down here and keeps the RV from going frontwards to backwards in that little rocking motion. We all know we don't want that going on. Over time, yes, the wheel chocks will sink into the ground. These do not. I'll show you. They go right here in between the wheels. Once you get them placed in between the center, you'll take your ratchet and you will tighten them up till they create pressure. Once they create pressure between the tires, you want to go 1, 2. You don't want to go any more than that, because what it's going to do is create your tires. They're going to start to bulge, and what it does is it actually takes your axles and starts to spread them. You don't want that to happen because it's going to cause traction, trailing issues behind you as you're towing. These work great. Always keep the shaft in the center lubricated on your X Chock because it makes it work a lot easier. These X Chocks work perfect on dual axle trailers, tri-axle trailers. Single axle trailers, let me know how that works for you. But I know that they work on 2 axles and 3 axles. Works perfect. We're going to put a link in the description below on the X Chock and the regular wheel chocks. For now, my name is Dave Bosco, and I will see you on the next video.